Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your PC specs on Windows. Let's start. First of all, go into Settings from the Windows icon. Then open up System from Settings. Click on About from the dashboard. You can see Windows specifications here. Device specifications like installed RAM and all. Close the page. Then search System Information in the search bar. Click to open it and you can see every detail of your system here as well. System summary is divided into 3 parts, like hardware resources, components, and software environment. You can open them and check out their details as well. If you click on Hardware Resources, you can see its specifications. Then if you open the components, you can look at all the components of your device. Tap on Display to see what it has. Click on Storage and you can see the items and their values in it. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.